First cloud bands sweeping by from Hurricane Isaac. We're on the outer edge of the cloud bands now. You can tell by the motion they're taking. You can see they're moving in that direction, and they're coming from over here. So it's a totally backwards direction for the way things usually move around here. In Tampa, and they've already delayed the RNC a day. Morning. Those are the hurricane clouds already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sometime this afternoon we start having some.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but no big deal here. It's going out to sea.
Yeah.
Just gonna get some of the clouds and rain, I guess. But it's